Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a requested video. I've been getting on my updated brow routine. If you follow me on like my handles, you'll notice that my brows aren't as Instagrammy anymore, but they're still pretty snatched. They're just like fluffier, and you know, I've been on that vibe lately. So I'm going to be showing you how I get my fluffy brows. Okay, so at the moment my hair is blonde, so I've been doing them a little bit lighter, but the routine still applies and basically the product still applies. Okay, so my two favorite brow pencils are the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and then also the Makeup Revolution Pro Brow Pencil. I've been using pencils to do my brows lately just because they make my brows look fluffier, and I can create my hair like strokes in the back where I shave my tails off, because I do still do that, just because my brows don't grow in a shape that I think is attractive for my face. So, like I said, my hair is blonde at the moment, so I've been using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 5, but I still use this on like regular dark hair days, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be showing you like my favorite products to achieve this. This is like my best friend at the moment. I was using it in like my previous videos where my hair was like black and curly. In that video, this was what was used to achieve those brows. So it's really versatile, because you can push harder and get darker color, and then like lighter to get lighter color, like I've been doing for my hair. So that's what we're going to be using today. So we're going to grab our handy dandy mirror, and we're gonna start by pushing our brow hair upward. Nothing new, you know, you see this everywhere. Yeah, and we are gonna start off by lightly coming directly underneath the brow and creating a guideline. Like that. Now we're gonna push the hair down. So personally, I groom my brows every day just because they grow out like really fast. So some mornings I have to like take the ends off, and then other mornings, like right now, when I push the hair down, if the hair comes past the line that I drew, I'll just snip it to keep it in line. Okay, and I just use some I think these are tweezermen. Pretty sure these are tweezermen scissors to do that. And now we're gonna come on top. Okay, and I draw my brow longer than it actually is gonna be, so no, my brow isn't really gonna come back to here, just because I have a habit of when I clean them up that I will cut them off. So okay, and I'm doing this with a really light hand, because the harder you press, the darker it's gonna be, and I don't want them dark because, like I said, my hair is blonde at the moment. So now I'm gonna come in at where my hair stops, like where I start to cut it off, and I'm just gonna do some strokes. I do my strokes longer because when they are shorter, they tend to build up more, and then that's how you can get your brows really harsh looking, and I don't like that. So longer strokes are always my recommendation. And then, you know, you can do like shorter strokes in the front, just because I like the front of my brows to look very bushy. Same thing I used to do with like the pomade and powder combo. Sometimes I use powder when I'm using a pencil, depending on the day and my hair. I'll go in with like a little bit of powder, but usually, like lately, I haven't been going in with powder on top of this. But same thing applies. I really don't put much product in the front, but I do like little short strokes, you know, just to balance it out. Now we just take the spoolie and really blend that front, and then I take my finger at the tip right here and really push that out. It just helps it, like, looks like it's my flesh. I don't know. And then once it's all blended, you can kind of like see where you might need to go in a little bit more, like through my hair. As you can see, my brow is pretty full for the most part, except for, you know, of course, where I like tweeze. I tweeze the front, shade the back. But this right here stays pretty full, so I don't really feel much in there. So yeah, it looks like that. So here's one of my makeup artist pro tips. If the brow hair on a client or on yourself even is really bushy, what you can do is, I'm going to show you my two favorite products for doing this. You can use lash glue to stick the hairs down a little bit more. This is the Ardell Lash Light Clear Adhesive. This is like for like lash tabbing and stuff. Or you can go in with the, what is this? The Kiss Lash Couture Lash Glue. This is clear. You can use this for like lighter hair color, brows and everything. And then this one is black for, of course, darker hair colors. But that's just like one of my little pro tips. If the brows are too unruly for a brow gel. Yeah, but that's just for like unruly brows. My favorite brow gel at the moment is the lmaooo Brow Styler. I love this one. And then I also love the Anastasia Beverly Hills right here. So yeah. So this part hasn't changed from my routine. To clean up my brows, I'm taking a little Morphe, it's like a little concealer brush, and then my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 356. This is Warm Coconut, to clean them up. So what I like to do, so I make sure I don't have too much product, of course I shake really well. A lot of people don't shake their foundations and it irks my nerves like when I see it, because you're supposed to shake it. But anyway, that's like my paranoia. But to make sure I don't have too much product, I just shake it really well, flip it back over, tap and flip back, and whatever is in the cap is just enough to do both brows, okay? You have to do it really fast so that, you know, you actually catch product, but not too fast where it's like still a lot of product in there. So yeah, it's like a process. So I come in and I go ahead and apply the product below the brow. And I get my arm into position, like I just lock it straight upward, because otherwise I'll be shaking. And then I just go in to clean them up. Okay, so that's basically the bottom, clean and sharp. And you kind of like see, I can't talk when I was doing this, I'm sorry. But you can kind of like see the more you do this over the product, it kind of blends it out and makes it thicker so that, you know, you can't really see through it. So now we're going to go ahead and come up top and do the top of the brow. Alright guys, so that is the brow. I'm going to go ahead and do this brow, and I will be right back. Alright guys, and she is back. This is the finished brows. I don't blend out the foundation. I literally just let it dry. Yeah, so now you can go in with a little brow gel if this is all for you, or I recommend doing brow gel after you complete your face. I don't highlight underneath my brow anymore. I don't know, I'm getting old. I don't like all that shimmery stuff underneath my brows anymore. I just like for them to look, you know, snatched. I just do. Only time I highlight under my brow is if I'm doing like a look, but not like for my everyday face, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it helps you. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you can apply this in your everyday routine. This is such a easy, simple tutorial, and you know, I love the fluffier, more natural, softer looking brows. And yeah, I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.